Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to join a house in Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to join a house in Clubhouse. Maybe because there is a house of your friends or maybe somebody you know and you want to be a part of it by joining it and you don't know how to do it. Or maybe you're looking for different communities of your interest or maybe in general to be a part of it. So you just want to join them and can be a part of that community. Or there could be any other reason for you to join any house into the Clubhouse. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can join a house in Clubhouse. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First we have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse, and if you have not installed it yet then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and also you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Here you could see the icon of the app and few options at the top and some options at the bottom as well. And in middle of the screen, there are different rooms that you can join, listen to the conversation, and can be a part of it. Other than that, into the middle option at the bottom, we have an option called Explore. Once you tap on it, here you can find different rooms, people, and houses. And once you get here, with the help of this option, you can get a part of houses by joining it or maybe by creating your own house. So now if you want to join any house, you have to go to the Explore section, and in your search bar, you have to search for groups. If you know the exact name of the group, then you can search it by, but if you're just looking for different groups, then type anything related to it. And after that, just simply click on houses, and it will just take a while and it will show you all the houses and different results. So from all the results, you can join any one of these house, whatever you like by its profile picture, you can join it. And by just knowing through how many people are member of that, and just simply click on to this option, and after that you will be a member to this group, as now you have become a part of that house. So whenever there is a room created into this house, you will be notified, and if you want to join to this conversation you can also do that. Once you get into the house and you tap onto the group, or you could say house that you joined, you will see this. That means now you're a member of it. You can also add your friends to it and can enjoy this conversation that will happen into that house. You can join as much as houses as you would like to. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can join a house in Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.